Fly out Oh, you mean
Well, this is a big project, and it is going to affect a number of people, institutions, and we hope that all those who are going to be beneficiaries start taking stock about what they are going to do, because we believe solarization is being done in order to develop the country. And as the president said yesterday when he opened the last cabinet, all of us must continue to work even during this time when we are faced with the festive season. So I'm very happy that I was invited by the Rural Electrification Agency to come here. We have a strategic planning workshop, but they said, well, we want you to come and see what we are doing when we are still working at a project. I've opened or commissioned a number of their projects which are already completed. But this opportunity to come and see what they are doing and to see the community before they finish. My advice to the community is, once this is being done, while it is being done, prepare for the rural development that is going to take place, the rural transformation that is going to be taking place at this place called Nzimbe. You must plan in such a manner that you do agriculture better than what you were doing through irrigation. Those who are doing village business units, that's what this is all about. The schools around here must start thinking about the school business units, but young people must start thinking about the issue of rural industrialization by creating avenues where they can use the electricity which is here. After all, when we put a situation like this, we want users. So the stores owners must start saying, electricity is coming, let me change my refrigeration system so that the quality of life is different. That is what Vision 2030 is all about. That is what the president and the country are preparing. As we enter NDS2, we must intensify our energy supply to all the communities in this country, because energy is a big enabler for all our economic activities.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Firstly, I would like to thank our president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. All these projects that are coming up in the country are coming up as a result of his Vision 2030. We have here a government entity that has put up a project that is going to not only supply electricity to the people, but really go deep down into rural transformation in line with the president's mantra of leaving no one and no place behind. This place here called Nzimbe is quite remote, and really we are now looking forward to a satellite growth point coming up here as a result of this project. And a number of things are going to be changing. I would tell our benefactors, those that are benefiting from this project, that this is the time that they must look forward to a change of life. They must not just utilize electricity just for cooking. They have to go straight into business. Our president has provided business units, has provided many other projects that would need energy, and here is the energy right next door. Manicaland, we are privileged. We have these projects that have come up, solar projects all over, in hospitals, and schools, and many other places. I can tell you that right in Wakwata, there is another project like this that is 200 kilowatts. We have other centers that have put up massive solarization and solar projects, like Africa University, an institution that has put up over 650 kilowatts, which is helping the surrounding areas and the institution itself, and also putting the other remainder of what they are not using into the grid, national grid. Otherwise, I could go on and on.
Okay, thank you so much. Comment on that.
As RIA, we are not stopping. We are moving with our mandate of providing universal access to sustainable modern energy services to all rural areas of Zimbabwe, leaving no one and no place behind. Today we are in Njimbe, Makoni district. This place is very far, it's remote. People were least expecting electricity, but we are 94% completing this project. We expect to be commissioning it early February, and everything will be done. Power lines to households have been constructed, power lines to the business center, to the school, to the clinic, and to there are churches that will also be connected. The business center is 15 shops that will be connected. And there is a lot of unutilized capacity if we connect all these that we have targeted. So we're actually encouraging people of this community to think of business that utilizes electricity and make money. We need people to utilize the power that we've brought here. Even those households, if they wait for electricity, they will only be using it for lighting and charging phones. But that's not why we are bringing power. We are bringing power for rural industrialization. Everyone must think of a business that they can do to make money, to improve their lives towards Vision 2030 of an upper middle income society.
Right, indonzi Clemens Njowa, ndiri village 10A. Chirongwa chakauya muno muRomstiri ichi cheRIA ichi chemagetsi ichi aiwa chakatigonera. Isu tine zvigayo, tine mvura tukuti asika tiri kufara kusvika kuti wana tucheche pakupembera nezvataitirwa nehurumende. Tiri kutenda chirongwa ichi charamba chakaendera kuseri nekuti tiri kupembera. Nezvikara nyama yemufiriji yayo taionera kwana Rusapiwa, asi nyama yati akungoivhurawo muno mumafiriji. Masole zvakati waya kudirwa izvezvi mumusha muruzevha muno muwadi 31. Aiwa chirongwa ndechedu, tiri kupembera tese, hakuna munhu ari kuti ichokwadi richikuitwa nehurumende ichi kuti kuonawo kuti tiriko here chokwadi. Aiwa tinotenda nebasa rakanaka rakadai so.
Ini ndinoitwa Wamaenzanise Wonderful, ndiri paNzvimbe primary school. Ndiri kunzwa kufara nechirongwa cheRIA chakauya chemagetsi chakaiswawo pachikoro pedu, apo takutarisira zvino kuti maticha anga asingagari nekuti chachiri chikoro chakasara, sezvo pane magetsi maticha akuzogara. 1 2 tatine dambudziko rekuICT, tatisina power, saka magetsi tatounzirwa rinova danho guru ratifambisa muchirongwa chekudzidzo yeHBC yako inoda makombiyuta. Saka ndinotarisira kuti dunhu redu richasimukira nevana veduwo vachasimukira.
Kansela Garana wako ward 31 kunzvimbe Romsley. Ndinotenda nechirongwa chakaunzwa naPresident Vamunangagwa chemagetsi kunzvimbo kwedu. Nzvimbo yedu yanga yakasarira zvikuru, tichirarama tisina magetsi, vana vasingadzidzi makombiyutas, asi pari zvino takwanisa kuti vana muzvikoro vadzidzi vakukwanisa kudzidza makombiyutas. Ndikutenda Dr. Mnangagwa nebasa guru ravakatiitira, tichiti dai vaenderera mberi vachitibatsira nekutionawo. Zvakare totarisa kuti ndo paakutangira shanduko yakanyanya mukati menharaunda yedu, kuriza nonge taane magetsi. Ndatenda.
Twabumira Lazarus, chirongwa chatakapuwa nehurumende chekupuwa masola. Aiwa tinochitenda zvisingaiti nekuti chirongwa ichi kunoku chatine dambudziko muzvikoro musina magetsi, vana vedu tikuti vanofanira kudzidza makombiyutas. Even kana varaidzi vedu kunoku vanga vachita dambudziko rokuti vanenge vachida kushandisawo magetsi, saka rakariri dambudziko hombe. Saka izvino tiri kuti kunoku taakusere because magetsi akaiswa panapa tikuti even kana zvigayo tichashandisa pabusiness center. Vanhu tinavo vanhu maraini vakapuwa magetsi, saka chirongwa ichi chatakapuwa naPresident aiwa hakuseri.